Hey YouTube, Matt here, back at it again with another YouTube video. Today's video will be going over how to save, download an image from the web. You're probably asking yourself, why would you want to do this? Well, there's a couple reasons. One, you could email this picture to somebody, have it be a funny picture, a meme, whatever it is. Second option, or second reason why you want to do this is maybe you want to set this picture as a desktop background and just cover up all this black space or white space or whatever color you have now. Maybe you want to spice it up a bit. You can add the background as your desktop picture. So the first thing you want to do is we want to choose what browser we want to go get images from. So you can either jump into Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, whatever you want to do. I'm going to jump into Microsoft Edge. Okay, from here you're going to do www.google.com and hit enter on your keyboard. I'm using Google Images as an example. You can try websites, you could try this on any website to grab an image. Not saying this will work 100% on every website, but Google Images is the best way to do this. So from Google, the top right hand corner, click Images, and it was going to take you to Google Images. And you see Google, the logo, with images underneath it. I'm going to search for, you can search for whatever you want. I'm going to search for dogs. I'm going to hit enter. From here we have a whole bunch of pictures of dogs. And I'm going to choose the first one because I love golden retrievers. So select the picture you want and click on it. This window is going to pop up, basically showing you the picture and the description of where it came from. What you're going to do is you're going to right click the picture and do a Save Picture As and click on that. This window that popped up is known as File Explorer. It shows where all your folders are and what you've saved. So we have desktop, downloads, documents, pictures, and I have some other things there. What you want to do is you want to click on the picture folder and make sure it's highlighted, because that's where you want your saved images to go. From here, you can change the name of the image. So I've clicked on it, and I'm just going to hit delete. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it Puppy, and I'm going to hit save. Okay, so now, excuse me, click off of Microsoft Edge. Now that you have your image saved, how do you get to it? I'll show you. The search bar at the bottom, click on it, and type in File. Just have to type in File. And this app called File Explorer will come up. You're going to click on, you see where it says Pinned? Click on the picture folder. And here, it pulled up the folder of where all your pictures are. So to make this easier, click on the picture folder and drag it to your desktop. Now this makes a shortcut to your picture folder. You can click out of this and click on the picture folder shortcut. It'll take you right to your pictures. And as you can see, here is the photo that we saved named Puppy. So I'll double click on this. And there it is. You just successfully saved, downloaded a picture from the web. In the future, I'll do videos on how to email this to somebody or create a desktop background. But for now, this is the basic. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one.